I speak with someone yesterday. Her husband had an affair. They're separated. And she said, oh, but he's really, really changing. And meanwhile, the kids are so upset with her for breaking up the family. This is such a common scenario I see. And I was trying to kind of gently tell her, if he's really changing, he would not let you take the brunt of that. So I see this so often where the betrayed is so willing to take the heat and take the blame for something they didn't even do. So if someone is really, really changing, like for real, they're owning their stuff. They're taking full and complete responsibility. They're not letting someone take the brunt of their actions. They're not letting the blame fall on the other person. They're owning it. That's real change. So be honest with yourself. If you see that someone is so willing to let you continue to just feel the brunt of their actions, either way, spend your time on your own healing. That's why people ask me all the time, well, what about them and what should I do and whatever. Your only job is to get to your physical, mental, and emotional best, because from that place, you see things so clearly. The other person may, in that case, step it up and say, I better step up my game to meet the strength of this person. Or you're going to see them for who they truly are. Either way, their betrayal is not your fault, and someone is not changing to the level that you deserve to see if they're not even willing to take responsibility for their own actions. That is a clear sign that change that is real and what you deserve going back into something, it's not happening if they're not even willing to take responsibility for their actions. Hope that helps. Follow for more.